Let's discuss example for parallel lines. So here given two equations. See, x plus 2y equal to 4. This is our first linear equation, and 2x plus 4y equal to 12. This is our linear equation 2. Okay, we have to plot the graph. So we want some points. So I have take some values for x and y. Okay, if x equal to 0, what is the value of y? X equal to 0. Put in equation 1. So 0 plus 2y equal to 4. 2y equal to 4. Y equal to, into 2 comes to this side, by 2, which is equal to 2. Okay. So here point is 0, 2. X coordinate 0 and y coordinate 2. Next, if y equal to 0, what is the value of x? X plus 2y equal to 4. This is our equation 1. Here y equal to 0. X plus 2 into 0 equal to 4. 0 into anything 0. X equal to 4. So point is 4, y coordinate 0. If x equal to 1, x plus 2y equal to 4, x value put in equation 1, 1 plus 2y equal to 4, 2y equal to plus 1 comes to this side, minus 1, 4 minus 1 equal to 3, y equal to 3 by 2, which is equal to 1.5. Okay. Next, if x equal to 2, x plus 2y equal to 4, 2 plus 2y equal to 4, plus 2 comes to this side, minus 2, 4 minus 2, 2, y equal to, into 2 comes to this side, by 2, which is equal to 1. Here point is 2, 1. Here point is 1, 1.5. Okay. So write the x and y values in the table. Here x, y. First point, x equal to 0, y 2. Y is 2. Next point, x equal to 4, y value equal to 0. Next point, x equal to 1, y value 1.5. Next, if x equal to 2, y value 1. Okay. Next equation, 2x plus 4y equal to 12. If x equal to, I take 0. 2 into 0 plus 4y equal to 12. 4y equal to 2 into 0, 0. 4y equal to 12. Y equal to, into 4 comes to this side, by 4. It is equal to 3. Okay, here 0, 3. Next, if y equal to 0, 2x plus 4y equal to 12. This is our equation 2. Y value put in equation 2. 2x, 4 into 0 equal to 12. 4 into 0. 0 into anything 0. 12. X equal to, into 2 comes to this side, by 2, which is equal to 6. This point is 6, x 6, y 0. 0, 6, 0. Okay. If x equal to, I take 1. 2 into 1 plus 4y equal to 12. 2 into 1, 2. 2 comes to this side, plus 2 comes to this side, minus 2. 4y equal to 12 minus 2. Y equal to, this is 10. Into 4 comes to this side, by 4. Which is equal to some fractional value. So it is very difficult to plot the graph. So skip this point. Next, if x equal to 2. 2 into 2 plus 4y equal to 12. 4y equal to 12. 2 into 2, 4. Plus 4 comes to this side, minus 4. 12 minus 4, 8. Y equal to, into 4 comes to this side, by 4, which is equal to 2. Here point is 2, 2. Okay. If x equal to 4. 2 into 4 plus 4y, it is equal to 12. 4y equal to 2 4 8. Plus 8 comes to this side. Minus 8, which is equal to plus 4. Y equal to into 4 comes to this side by 4. Y equal to 1. So point is 4 comma 1. Okay. So write our x and y values in table. This is x and y. First point 0 comma 3. 0 comma 3. Next point 6 comma 0. Next point 2 comma 2. And next point 4 comma 1. Okay. Let's plot the graph. So draw x-axis and y-axis. Here scale. Here scale is on x-axis 1 unit equal to 1 and y-axis 1 unit equal to, I take 1. Okay. Here points are, first point 0 comma 2. 0 comma 2. X-axis 0 and y-axis 2. Okay. This point is 0 comma 2. Next point 4 comma 0. 4, y value 0. This is the 4 comma 0. Okay. Next point on x-axis 1, y-axis 1.4. 1 in between 1 and 2. This is 1.5. 1 and 1.5. This is the 1 comma 1.5. Okay. Next point 2 comma 1. On a x-axis 2, y-axis 1. X-axis 2 on y-axis 1. Okay. So connect all these points. Okay, this is a straight line. This line represents x plus 2y equal to 4. Okay. Okay. In this graph, each and every point represent x plus 2y equal to 4. Okay. Next equation 0 comma 3. Okay. 0 comma 3. Next point is 0 comma 3. 0 comma 3. Y-axis 3. Okay. Next 6 comma 0. On x-axis 6. Y-axis 0. 6 comma 0. This is 0 comma 3. Okay. Next point 2 comma 2. X value 2 and y value 2. This point is 2 comma 2. Next point 4 comma 1. 4 on x-axis 4 and y-axis 1. Okay. 1 4. 4 comma 1. Okay. Connect all these points. Okay. This line represents equation